This is what I call the collect a bed. Once you know that you have bed bugs, you can actually get rid of all the bugs in your bedroom with nothing more than cardboard. And these things we developed so that you can inspect your cardboard. They look very similar to the collect a bug that I showed you earlier. They just open like this, and you can actually see the bugs lined up in the cardboard right here like that. You can only see about half of them because the other half can sometimes get into these little edges there. But so if you see one, just assume you have two. For installing it, the same as the collect the bug, install so that these little edges here are always exposed. The bugs must have access to get into those areas. Like so. Now you'll notice that I'm going all the way around the bed, and it's true that most of the activity is going to be at the head of the bed, but to get all of them, you have to go all the way around the bed. So once you've got the cardboard all the way around, what you'll do is sleep, and the bugs are going to come in, take a blood meal, and hide in the cardboard. And then once a week or once every 2 weeks, you're going to throw away the cardboard and replace it with new cardboard. Every time you replace the cardboard, you should always take your sheets and blankets and run them through the dryer, because it's quite common to find bugs in your blanket edges and in your pillows. So every time you do that, make sure you do that. One thing to keep in mind with these devices is that you can't let the blankets hang over top of the cardboard like that. If they do, some of the bugs will come down and get under your box spring or even onto the floor. So keep your blanket up nice and high like that so that there's no opportunity for them to go past. If you offer the cardboard, they'll always take the cardboard. But you have to make sure you always offer the opportunity of the cardboard. No cheating.